Let's shift our focus to some big breaking news coming in. A Delhi court has directed to frame charges against controversial Congress leader Jagdish Titla in the 1984 anti-Sikh riots case. The case was registered by the CBI and what we're getting to know is that the defense argument was based on the footage which showed Jagdish Titla being present at the Teen Murti house on the day of the alleged incident. We have both Bhavtosh and Priyank joining us live. Let's go across to Priyank, who's getting us all those details. Priyank, if you could tell us what happened in the court and what are the implications?
See, Sagarika, this is going to have a very large implication on Jagdish Titla because so far he has been getting, a clean sheet from the investigating agencies. But finally, CBI, on the basis of the three eyewitnesses' statement, found that they are the evidence against him. And the court has also accepted it. While delivering the order, the court has said that we have found that there are sufficient evidence to frame charges against Jagdish Titla. On 13th, he'll have to come and appear. We are joined by the victims of the 1984 tragedy who have been assembling here since morning because early in the morning the order was expected to come at 10 a.m. and now 3. Madam, कोर्ट ने बोला है पर्याप्त एविडेंस है कि जगदीश टाटला के खिलाफ जो आरोप है उन्हें आगे बढ़ाया जा सके. अब 13 तारीख को आने वाला, क्या आपको देख के लग रहा है?
सर ऐसे देखो 40 साल से हम हर तारीख पे और इतनी हमने कोशिश करी कि इसके ये जो मुजरिम बने, आज भगवान का बहुत दिल से हम शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं. भगवान ने हमारी प्रार्थना सुनी तो जगदीश टाइटलर के ऊपर चार्ज लगा, धाराएं भी लगी, 302 वगैरह जो भी हैं काफी हैं, मतलब भूल चुकी हूँ मैं. ऊपर मतलब वो मुजरिम करार हो चुका है. जो उसने किया, कत्ल किए, जो भी है, जिन्होंने देखा, सुरेंद्र सिंह ने, वो गवाहों ने बताया है. तो उस आधार पे ये अब बहुत जल्दी जगदीश टाइटलर जेल के पीछे होगा और हमारे मन को भी शांति.
आप लोग क्या सुनते आते होंगे, आपके और लोगों ने भी देखा हो कई लोगों को जलते हुए अपनी आंखों के सामने. कई बार जगदीश टाइटलर का नाम आता था लेकिन कानून की जो प्रक्रिया होती थी उससे वो कहीं ना कहीं अलग रहते थे. अब क्या लगता है?
सर एक उम्मीद जागी है हमारे घर में. ये जितने भी रोड्स हैं, 1984 रोड्स हैं, किसी घर के तीन जनों को जलाया, किनके घर में 4 जनों को जलाया. सर मेरे घर के 11 बंदों को जलाया इन्होंने. मेरे फादर, ताए के 3 बेटे, आगे मम्मी के ताए, ये हमारी मासी है, इनके हस्बैंड को भी जिंदा जलाया गया. उसमें भी इसी टाइटलर का हाथ था.
Let's take a legal perspective. We are joined. Ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, what is going to happen next? Titla will have to come and appear before the court and he'll have to sign. Now what next? After
on 13th of September 2024, when Titla appears before the Honorable Court, he will be asked, these are the formal questions before proceeding for charge. These are the 2 formal questions. Do you claim, do you feel guilty or do you plead guilty? If you plead guilty, then we will sentence you. If you do not plead guilty and claim trial, then the trial will proceed.
Court today said that there are ample evidence, sufficient evidence, I would say.
On the basis of the charge sheet filed by CBI, we have 3, the CBI has given 3 eyewitnesses who had seen him coming in an ambassador car and who was very much there at the scene of crime where 3 Sikhs had lost their lives and who were brutally murdered.
So far he has been getting clean sheet. Do you think it's
been given clean sheet since FIR was registered by...
Priyank, just